Hello guys, if you have a problem with Discord no root, this is how you fix it. Go to the control panel, go to the network and sharing center or network and internet, go to your change adapter settings, go to your internet, right click properties, internal protocol version 4, click there, go to the properties, here you type 8888, then downstairs 8844. Click OK, then close. Go to the CMD, right click run as administrator. Here you write NATSH IP reset C slash reselling dot txt, press enter, then type NATSH winsock reset, press enter, then type IP config slash release, press enter, then type IP config slash flash DNS, press enter, then type IP config slash renew, enter. Okay, and type exit. And guys, that's it. The problem will be solved. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and see you guys. Bye bye.